Hey, my name's Shane, this is Josh, and we are standing here in our brand new house that we just moved into a little bit ago. We had a very interesting experience. We placed an offer on this house right as coronavirus hit, and then we wanted to sell our house. We realized that the traditional real estate market here in Pennsylvania was just not going to work well at all because everything was shut down. So my son here was about to graduate from high school. He was interested in the real estate market, so we hired Rock. And he was able to help us, train Josh especially, who we hired as our real estate agent, a little different. But he was able to give tons of good insight to him. He was able to help us figure out how to sell the house on our own, what ways to use the different resources that were available, ways to think through things, to market things. He even was able to take a look at what we wanted to price the house at and said, oh, that's not a bad way to do it, but you might want to go in with this price. He actually nailed it. The final price that we got the offer for was $1,000 different than what he had guessed was the right price to go in at. So he nailed it. We should have listened to him right away. So Josh, why don't you tell him a little bit about some of the stuff that Rock trained you in?
So he made sure to call me every once in a while, and we would talk about just our strategies for the house. And the main thing was we advertised on Zillow because we are a FSBO. And so on Zillow, he made sure, oh, I don't like the wording of this. Maybe you should think about changing that. And it was just really helpful because I didn't really have any prior experience, and Rock obviously did. And the main thing was he gave us a nice little Zoom call, and we were able to work everything out, and we were really able to learn how to sell our own house. So we're very appreciative of him for that.
Yeah, he called over and over again, emailed, checked in on us, did everything that we needed, really trained us. It was a fantastic experience, I have to say. We really appreciated it. And now we're standing in our new house. It all worked out. It was kind of stressful, but you know what? In the end, God blessed us. It worked. Rock was a huge help, and we would definitely highly suggest him that you should consider using him. If you're going to try to also sell on your own, he can walk you through a lot of the pitfalls that are out there. So this is Josh and Shane here in Pennsylvania. Thank you so much, Rock. You're awesome. See you later.